Hello, Professor Jackson. This is Darpan Shah, a communications major at Lane University, and I'm trying to introduce myself. You might have received my email about the voice thread bungle up, but I'm trying to see if I can just introduce myself, at least send you this video. So, what I got the readings of is just that I just read the semantics theory and the brilliantly hilarious but very pertinent Ed Yong TED Talk about zombie parasites in nature, and it was truly fascinating. I was not aware of that facet of nature at all, and what it showed was the free will versus determinism, and the debate on how we are in control, so to speak, that we may think that we are in control of our own selves and thoughts and processes, but the example of toxo given by Mr. Young in the talk, that it takes over even mammals, that was something really surprising to me. And I would like to add as a thought for my communicative self that I would think that the study that I did the last 2 years, I was a student of film, and for my thought process, and films are my passion. So I would relate communication to any film as a whole world in itself, that it relates to so much of what we think, even though it's just entertainment. But I would equate that to communications directly, because it's a vast field that encompasses so many different disciplines, and the communicative self comes into play every single time while each person comes together to define a single idea, that is to make the film. And so each of those individuals and their thought processes are so intertwined for just even that duration of that one film, that everyone has to be on the same wavelength, at least, even if they are not. But then for the purposes of the making of the film, that communicative self is of primary importance. That's what I feel while studying film. I found that facet. I relate to that, to the course that I'm taking right now, communications theory. And so I would just say that even though I struggled for the voice thread, it's just a simple thing. I tried, but I did not uh, was competent enough. I think I would not say I'm tech savvy, but I would say that at least I would like to understand the processes that I'm being offered as a way to communicate. So that also is just one more communication tool to relay our thoughts to you in a very compact manner using multimedia. But as I said, you might have received the email and then you might see this video, but I tried to put together the voice thread, and for the communicative self, I would say, as I said, the ideas about relating films with communication, and that's my primary area of interest, films and study of film. So I would say that that would these courses in the course of the communication and multimedia uh, major that I've taken upon should fulfill that criteria in my professional life, and then that should translate into success and gains in my personal life too. So that's the way I look at it, and hope you understand that I'm not making any kind of excuse. I'm just letting you know that this is what I'm trying to introduce myself through, and I had multiple ideas about presenting the images too, but they were not done to fruition, so I'm sorry about that. But it was nice meeting you this way, and hope to continue doing much better in the essay papers going ahead. Thank you so much for your time, and it was again a pleasure to talk to you in this manner. This is again Darpan Shah, communications major at Lynn. Then thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.